Hey outdoor fam, welcome back to another adventure-filled episode. This weekend we're taking a family off-road trip at Amabilis Mount Summit, Kachess Lake and Kachess Overlook, where we're gonna cook some delicious steak and camp on our trusty Ikamper. Let's hit the road. Currently, we're standing at the top of Amabilis Mount Summit, which is 4,300 feet in elevation. The view behind me, that's the Kachess Lake. It's a beautiful lake. I will later take you there. So this is our first stop. The next stop will be Amabilis southeast side, and the Kachess Overlook will show you all the amazing views from those points, especially the lake later that we're gonna hit. It's gonna be amazing, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. And we have reached our second spot, second destination, southeast Amabilis Mount Summit. So currently we're standing at 3,600 feet in elevation. That behind me, that's a Kachess Lake, beautiful lake. Now it's a better view than previously that I showed you guys. So our plan is to take a little break here, take some snacks before heading our final and third destination, Kachess Overlook, where we're gonna set our camp, cook some steaks, and watch some stars. Hopefully we'll be there, so enjoy the rest of the trip. Hey guys, so on our way in our third destination, Kachess Ridge, we stopped by Kachess Lake and we decided to stay for tonight. Kids are tired and hungry, so, and still we have a little daylight, so we want to set up our camper here. And like I promised, tomorrow after we drink coffee and kids have some fun in the lake, we're gonna head our third destination, which is Kachess Ridge, and show you a view from there. Yours? Thank you. So set up the chairs.
Ow.
So guys, it's a dinner time. We set up everything. So I hope you see it's a lighting, it's bad. I put a little light here. So here's the kitchen. The camper, it's up. It's ready. Kids are having fun here.
Hey, can you go get me my stickers?
Look at them.
Hi. Just relaxing on you.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Especially in our hammock. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You good?
Good morning.
Good morning.
You guys slept good? Oh, it's such a beautiful morning, I think, outside. It's 8 o'clock and we're ready for a coffee. See you in a bit.
Is it cold?
Not really.
Say hi.
Hi.
You sure it's not cold?
No, not really.
You having fun?
Yeah, I'm having so much fun.
And we made it, guys. We came on a third and final destination, Kachess Overlook. We had amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed too. And if you are, please give it a
Thumbs up.
comment down below and subscribe for more. And enjoy this beautiful view behind us.